To create a viewable account, users must be at least 18 years old. However, there are legal alternatives for those under 18 who want to start investing. One option is to ask a trusted adult, such as a parent, to open an account in their name and invest on behalf of the minor. The assets can be transferred to the minor when they turn 18. Another option is to create a custodial account with a broker that offers this service, such as Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or E-Trade. These accounts allow an adult to manage investments until the minor reaches the legal age. Alternatively, viewable accounts offer a paper trading feature that can be accessed without verifying age, allowing minors to practice trading with fake money. This is a great way to learn before opening a real account at 18. Other suitable options for minors include the Fidelity Youth Account, Charles Schwab Custodial Account, and E-Trade Custodial Account. These alternatives provide a way for minors to get started with investing while complying with age restrictions.